Are you ready for your speaking test?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with the part 1 about the use of present continuous. So look at number 6. What he's doing? He's playing with a sheep. Now, look at number 7. What he's doing?
He playing with a guitar.
Very good. How about number 8? What's he doing?
He playing with a ball.
Very good. And number 9? What's he doing?
He playing with the board.
Okay.
He playing with a ball.
Okay. And number 10? What's he doing?
He playing
He's riding.
He's riding with a horse.
Okay, very good. Next, I'm going to point. I'm going to ask you, and then you're going to answer me. Like for example, look at number 1. Is she reading a book? Yes, she is. Now, I will ask you the number 2. Are they skateboarding?
Yes,
Yes,
they is.
they are.
Yes, they are.
Number 3. Is she eating an apple? She is eating an apple?
Yes, he is.
Very good. Number 4. Is she watching a movie? Is she watching a movie? No, she isn't. Next. Number 5. Are they playing soccer? Are they playing soccer? No, they red. No, they. Next. So this time, you're going to describe the abilities of the following person. Look at number 1, Hugo. Hugo can ride a horse, can sing, and can play the piano, but can't swim and can ride a bike. Now, I'm going to ask you, how about Pat? Pat? Can? And? Can? Play? But? Can't. No, but can't. Can't sing and can. Very good. How about Alex? Alex can. Look at this. Can sing and swim. Swim. And can. But can't. Horse. And can't. How about you? What are your abilities? I can. You choose. I can
Sing.
sing and
I can ride a bike.
but can horse and can't ride a bike. Okay. Now let's move with the part 3. So part 3, look at this. Okay. So we have 2 parts in part 3 about clothes and preposition. Now look at the teacher. What she's wearing. She's wearing a She's wearing what? And what else?
Shoes.
What color are the shoes?
Pink shoes.
Okay. Next, how about the man? What he is wearing?
See,
He is wearing
wearing a blue shirt
mhm,
and black color.
mhm. Okay, how about you? What are you wearing? I'm wearing
I'm wearing orange t-shirt
and
and blue short.
very good. Now let's talk about the preposition. Look at the clock. Where is the clock?
Color
Is
next
okay. The clock is next to the window. How about the computers? Where are the computers?
the computer
Are
are next to the book.
next to the book. Where are the computers?
On the table.
Okay, correct. This is the map. Where are the books? No, books. Where are the books? Are are. This is the map. The books are the map. Okay, next. So this is the bookcase. Bookcase. Where are the books? Are the books bookcase. And last, where is the teacher? Is behind or in? The teacher is in What preposition do you use? In, on, in front, under. Oh, the teacher